This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Honda CRV mirror. First, gather your tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a trim removal tool. Next, open your hood and disconnect the negative terminal of your car battery. This crucial step prevents any electrical shorts or issues while you work on the mirror's wiring. Ensure you have a safe, well-lit workspace before proceeding. Now, let's remove the old mirror. Use your trim removal tool to gently pry off the interior door panel, exposing the mirror's wiring harness. Locate and disconnect all electrical connectors attached to the mirror. Then, using your screwdriver, unfasten the 3 or 4 mounting bolts that secure the mirror to the door frame. Carefully remove the damaged mirror from its position. With the old mirror removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully guide the new mirror into place, ensuring the mounting holes align perfectly. Reconnect all electrical wiring harnesses, making sure each connection is snug and secure. Then, reinsert and tighten the 3 or 4 mounting bolts to firmly secure the new mirror to the door. For the final steps, carefully reattach the interior door panel, ensuring all clips snap into place and any screws are tightened. Reconnect the negative terminal of your car battery. Once power is restored, sit in the driver's seat and test the new mirror's electronic adjustments to confirm it functions correctly. You've successfully replaced your Honda CRV mirror.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.